Getting a black screen when you try to capture League of Legends in OBS? In the next 60 seconds, let's fix it, step by step. First, in OBS, right-click your game capture source and choose Properties. Set mode to capture specific window, then pick League of Legends from the window list. If the preview is still black, change Window Match Priority to Match Title, otherwise find Window, then click OK and check the preview again. Next, make sure OBS is running on the same GPU as League. If you're on a laptop with dual graphics, this is critical. On Windows, open Graphics Settings, find OBS and League, and set both to high performance so they use your dedicated GPU together. Now restart OBS, launch League, and test your scene. If you still see black, the next fixes are inside the game. Open League, go into Settings, then Video. Set window mode to borderless or window. Game capture works best when it can see a standard window. Make sure you're capturing the actual in-game window, not just the launcher. Alt-Tab once the match loads, then reselect the League window in OBS if needed. If you're using full screen, try switching to borderless and then refresh your game capture source. This alone often fixes the black screen. Still not working? In OBS, right-click your game capture, choose Transform, then Fit to Screen, so your League feed fills the canvas properly. Finally, check that no overlays, like replay tools or overlays from other apps, are hooking into the game before OBS. Close them and test again. Once your League match shows up in the OBS preview, hit Start Recording or Start Streaming, and you're ready. Like and subscribe for more quick streaming fixes.